Welcome to Ta Lipa Pot Waterfalls.
Hello to all of you guys, this is Anne again and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're gonna go to the mountain and go for hiking. So we are here now guys. Nandito na kami sa loob ng Stolvizza. So bababa kami at titingnan namin or magpa-picture kami doon sa loob ng village. Tingnan natin kung malamig ba o hindi. Let's go! And now we are arrived here at Stolvizza around 1 PM in the afternoon. It was sunny day and best for hiking for today's video.
Prendi sulla sinistra quando fa la curva. Sì, sì. E vedi c'è il cartello Ta Lipa Pot e va giù e arrivi subito alla...
Grazie mille! From the small village of Stolvizza and Piazza dell'Arrotino, and you will see and find the signboard going to Ta Lipa Pot Waterfalls. To be honest guys, when we come in here in this place, we are not ready for hiking. We are just stopped and wandering to visit a beautiful surrounding nearby in our places, but our feet brought us in this place. So ayun nga mga ka-explore, nandito na kami sa lugar ng Ta Lipa Pot and naririnig ko na yung sounds ng water kasi pupunta kami sa Cascate o yung waterfalls dito. So tara, samahan ninyo kami. Papakita ko sa inyo yung magandang panoramic dito sa loob ng Ta Lipa Pot. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all of you for always be there watching my vlog. We hope to see you all again on our next adventure. Paalam!
Please follow me on FB pages and Explore YouTube channel and vlogs. Thank you very much appreciated.